Hi everyone and welcome. So today we are beginning our epic journey to Fuerteventura. So we're actually in Nottinghamshire and we are flying from Glasgow in Scotland. I will explain the reason for this later, but today this vlog is going to be about our journey up, and I'm going to show you the Premier Inn where we're stopping for the night, and then we'll show you the airport and getting on the plane hopefully, and then arrival. So yeah, come along and join us, it'll be good fun. Cheers. Okay, so we're on our way up to Chorley, but we've had to make a slight detour to MacArthur Glen, which is a big shopping area here in East Midlands. It's called the East Midlands Designer Outlet. So I've had to go there because I've had to make a swap on my trainers. My wife's fuming, but yeah, they don't fit me, so I need to change them. So making a change and then off we go to Chorley. It's a busy place, this. But yeah, we're not going in. I've just had to move the car from overflow. So yeah, next stop, Chorley. Okay, we have arrived at Chorley. So we are staying in the Premier Inn tonight. I'm about 40% of the way to the airport at Glasgow, and we're having a night here. So we're on the ground floor, right near the restaurant for what we're checking out. Thank you, Lewis. It's a bit further than I thought, isn't it? So we're in room 22 and this Premier Inn. So obviously it's a family room. We've got a double bed and two singles, and it's just usual fare in here as usual. Got a fan, which is unusual. You don't always get a fan because they do complain that it gets to get warm in these Premier Inns. So it's really cool in here actually. Got some towels. Got some tea and coffee making facilities, so you can make yourself a drink. Got a TV. It's not switched on, obviously. And then if we pan around, got the beds. Alright, so then you got your bathroom, which is just, it's your usual really. It has a bath, actually has a bath. Shower. Show you that, look. So there's your shower. So there's the shower. Sink. So yeah, that's Premier Inn Chorley. So I'll show you the menu for the breakfast. So it's obviously it's unlimited. We've paid £20 for the four of us. Obviously kids eat free, and it's £10.99 on here. So we've got eggs, scrambled, fried, poached, boiled, hash browns, back bacon, sausages, fake bacon, vegan sausages, baked beans, black pudding, grilled tomato, mushrooms. Then you've got loads of stuff from if you can see it, from the bakery. And they're actually pretty decent. It was last time we had Premier Inn breakfast, so that will fill us up nicely so we can continue our journey to Glasgow Airport. So yeah, this breakfast area is slightly different to the other one. So it's not actually in the pub, it's actually in the Premier Inn itself. Well, sometimes you do go to the pub and have it. It's only a small room, quite quaint. And then you've got your breakfast and cereals over here. Have to get some orange juice, probably. You've got your croissants.
You all see it?
No. Coffee machine. Is it going through this time?
Yeah. Good then, but that's alright.
Toast.
That's too much for me. I don't like it.
Yeah. Got some butter.
Yes.
Good. I've got a big breakfast, guys. It looks a bit like well loaded onto my plate, as you can see. But I need a big breakfast this morning. It's got to try and last me most of the day. Jasmine's got some pastries. Croissants. Coffee. Right, so that draws us to a close here for one night. Had a really nice breakfast. Staff are absolutely amazing. Lovely staff. I'll have a quick look at the Malthouse Farm area. Now, apparently, there are rooms on this side as well. Yeah, so you could be in this block here, which is backs onto the pub. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, I think all these rooms shall go all the way around. And then this is the pub. We didn't actually get a chance to go in the pub into the Malthouse, which was a shame, but we did arrive quite late and we were quite tired. So, but nice looking little pub. And apparently this leads onto the canal. Yeah, a little area. And here is the canal. And you can obviously, there's a tow path, there's a path on the opposite side of the canal which can walk all the way along. So yeah, we'll definitely have to revisit this place. We'll try and come up here one day if we can get a cheap deal. But yeah, very impressed. So the pub looks really nice. And definitely recommend it. So yeah, if you're thinking about stopping at the Premier Inn in Chorley, I would definitely recommend it. It's been really good actually. And I'll tell you how much it cost us. It cost us £40 to stay here. We got a deal on family of four for family room, £40 for the night, and we paid an extra £20 for the buffet breakfast, which was an all-you-can-eat breakfast. So yeah, that only cost £40 plus the 20, so £60 in total, including breakfast. And like I say, it's a pretty nice Premier Inn. The receptionist, absolutely wonderful. I'm not saying it's always like that, but that's been our experience anyway. Right, onwards now. Onwards, upwards and forwards to Glasgow Airport. We are back in Gretna Green on our way to Glasgow Airport. I'll have a little wander around. Again, if you've not seen my last video from Gretna Green, make sure you check it out. The weather was actually much better than it is today. It's actually quite cool and a little bit breezy. but we're coming here for a bit of a break, stretch our legs, because we've got a little bit of time before we need to get to the airport. Currently we'll be an hour early, so this is an opportunity to use the toilets and just have a wander around. So yeah, certainly quieter than the last time we visited here. Certainly less people around. So this is the food hall. So lots of nice things in there. And then you've got the Scottish shop. And then this is like the food and beverages shop and the wee Scottish shop, which is the smaller one. Well, there's a bit of history here on Gretna Green and the enduring romance over 250 years. And then you got the little cafe here. It was packed when we came here last time. Got some nice little statues here. There's a little notice board here telling you about the history. It began in 1754 when England introduced the marriage law, which prohibited couples under the age of 21 from marrying without approval from their parents, and they had to marry in a church. But in Scotland it was actually much easier to marry with only 2 witnesses required along with a couple's public declaration. So people that wanted to get married but didn't want their parents' approval could come to Gretna to get married. Right, so this is the famous blacksmith shop. So it's the Lucky Arch, which I've mentioned in the previous video from this area. Made from hunting shoes worn by the cream of the border winner, the 21 Chasers. Oh, they're like them lollipops that you had.
That little one.
Yeah. Virtually the same, aren't they? It's Fruity Tooties. Oh yeah. Anvil Ale. Some of the whiskies. It's virtually the same as the last shop, isn't it? The Macallan, 120-year-old. Nice. There's lots of different ones in here. What, these are liquors? Liqueurs. Are they liqueurs, these are? When came last time?
Nice shirt.
Yeah.
2008, it was asked.
That's the sort of thing Thingy's selling, that. Surprise shirts.
Yeah.
Gretna Green FC.
2008, it was
Gretna FC. Yeah.
£400.
Decant it out of the horn. The actual bottle itself. Don't drink it like that tourist is expecting a big storm here in Gretna. She's got a poncho on, ready for the biggest storm. While everyone else is, I'm walking around with my short and t-shirts on. That's James.
bit bruised.
Yep. Chris, jar salt.
After dinner mint cheesecake. Biscoff cheesecake.
Biscoff cheesecake, that was nice.
4 Lays at £6.
Alright, so we'll come onto the field, and if you come in here, if you're passing, the only way up, so it is a really good place to stop. Especially if you've got a camper van or motorhome. There's plenty of parking here. And then if you've got the where Jasmine is, on the hill over there, there's lots for the kids to do here. They can run around and play. And that's the little maze, and then the place where you can put your locks. And then there's a big coach park, so if you are travelling, we've just seen some Japanese tourists, and you'll be coming here at some point to Gretna Green. So yeah. So we believe that this is the plane that we're actually flying on. And we're lucky because we're sitting here to have a drink. It's pretty much just appeared right next to the boarding gate that we're sitting at. So that is good. Jet 2 off to Fuerteventura. If you're wondering why we are flying from Glasgow, it's because the holiday package was £1,000 cheaper than flying from East Midlands. So for a family of 4, so we had no choice. It's you either pay £1,000 more or come to Glasgow Airport. Hi everyone. So yeah, we've made it to Funty Park Apartments. We've made it. It's gone 11 PM now. But we've been out and got some essential supplies. Basically a Heineken and a bottle of wine. I will show you the room properly tomorrow. A little room tour. It's quite basic, but yeah, we're quite happy with it. And I'm just going to quickly show you the pool now, and then I'll show you properly tomorrow. So yeah, coming out onto the balcony. Not a lot to see in the dark, obviously, but the Funty Park Apartments is very, very secure indeed. And there's only pretty much one way in and one way out of this place. It's small, but does the job. So yeah, that is day one on the travel day, and let's see what tomorrow brings. And also remember to check out the little walk around of this little Funty Park Apartments. I'll show you in another upload. Thank you. Thank you to the gold members of the channel for your support as always, and I hope you enjoyed watching this upload. Please remember to check out the playlist, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you and goodbye.